So this right here turns the K into a G. So it goes ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And this is za, ji, zu, ze, zo. This becomes da, ji, zu, de, and do. So let's go over these 4 characters real quick. This G and this G are pronounced the same. This G is used a lot and this G is not so much. It's the same for this zu and this zu. This zu is used a lot and this zu is almost never used. And another thing, even though this G and this G are pronounced the same, if you are typing it on a keyboard and press J-I, then this will appear. But if you want this G, then you have to press D-I. And it's the same for this zu and this zu. If you type Z-U, then this will appear. But if you want this one, then you have to press D-U, okay? This turns the ha into a ba. So it's ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Let's go over the combinations. Now you take all these in the E row, like the ki, shi, chi, ni, he, ni, and di. And you take these, the ya, you, yo, and you make the ya, you, yo, and you make them small. And you put them together and you get this sound called kya, Q, and kyo. And there you go. And this is sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, nya, mu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mya, mu, myo, ya, yu, ryo. It also has gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, ja, ju, jo, bya, byu, byo, and pya, pyu, pyo. Congratulations, you know hiragana. Next time we will learn katakana. Bye.